You stupid. Yes, they are powdery.
Ooh.
You stupid. What you want for dinner? Which one of the meals you want me to cook tonight?
What?
What's up, BT gang? It's your girl Tasha back with another freaking banger. I know y'all read that title. I know y'all saw that thumbnail. I know that y'all know that today your girl is about to get that ass. Y'all, we about to put some flour on his donuts. But before we get into it, I'm gonna need y'all to make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe if you are new on the road to 200K. So make sure you smash it one time for your girl. Also make sure you smash that post notification bell so you can be one of the first to catch us in that live premiere. You gotta make the bell go ring. Ding dong, hey, ring-a-ding, ding ding dong. Smash the bell, y'all, and post notification gang. Post notification shout outs go to Karen Jamerson, Ebony Means Beauty, Chadwick Harris, Tiona Simmons, and Anita Spears. Thank y'all so much for showing us so much love down in the comment section below. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. And if you would like a shout out in an upcoming video, just make sure your post notifications are set to on and you are hashtagging post notification gang down in the comment section below. Now let me tell you what your girl finna do, y'all. So look, me and Brock are finna go run some errands, and I was just sitting here thinking like, what can I get him with real quick? So your girl went ahead and packed her up some flour, y'all, because at some point in these errands, your girl gonna get some powdered donuts. Now this is a revenge prank. Brock put some, I think it was baking powder, baking soda, something on my donuts. So we about to get them back. We about to put some flour on his donuts. We about to take out all the sweetness, and we gonna get his reaction because it's Team Tasha. Make sure y'all get this video to 1K likes. So if you ain't smashed it already, make sure you smash it right now. We need every video at 1K likes, so make sure you smash it for your girl, y'all. Team Tasha down in the comment section below, and let's go, y'all.
Much later.
All right, y'all, so we just came out of Walmart. I'm trying to hurry up. I got my flour, I got my donuts. Now look, I'm gonna pour some of these to the side because I wanna enjoy some of my powdered donuts later. So I'm gonna act like I just ate a gang of them. Let me pour some out, y'all. I'm gonna pour some out and put them somewhere, okay? Because we ain't wasting powdered donuts. Okay, and then I'm gonna put these my donuts up, y'all, because I'm gonna enjoy these with my show later. Throw these over here and put them down here. All right, y'all, so I got my donuts, I got my flour. I'm about to pour this whole bag of flour in his donuts, and then we are gonna offer Brock some donuts, y'all. Can y'all see? Yep, y'all can see. They powdery, they powdery. Oh, they smell good. Shake, y'all. We're gonna shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. All right. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's go. Go ahead and taste that. Oh, here he comes. To taste it.
Oh. I like that smoke chop. That back was cheap as hell right there.
For real?
Hell yeah.
You better hope it's a good pack.
I know. That's the only thing about it. You crack them open. It be thick as hell. I don't like the ones super thick, and I don't like the ones super thin either. I like the ones just right in the middle.
I should have went to that Krispy Kreme, but these will do.
A little crispy. Watch out for that one before we get coming.
But they're not already out.
The smoke shop lady was kind of flirting, so I don't know if you're gonna let me go back.
Boy,
Right.
stop it.
You don't think nobody flirt with me?
Well, I got heard about them. I know you know where home is.
I got big. I mean,
I ain't tripping.
no, I had them back in the day. I had them all.
Want some donut? Put something in your mouth. You talking to me?
Hello. Say we can put it in the mouth.
Oh! No, like he started to seduce me.
And put it in my mouth. Especially over that damn butt, that portion. Tropical cafe smoothie.
Now, sister did need some water with these. I wish
okay, you ain't got no water?
I ain't got no water.
A little bit right here.
A little squeaky squeak. Why?
Squeaky squeak. Oh.
I'm so happy to be able to go back home. Not excited about cooking.
So happy.
I don't know what I want to cook.
Damn, these motherfuckers powdery as f***. Look at my knuckles, nigga. Look, I just got to finish picking some cotton.
You stupid. Yes, they are powdery as
Ooh.
You stupid. What you want for dinner? Which one of the meals you want me to cook tonight?
What?
Oh!
What the fuck?
Let's stick into my... Ooh! Which one of the meals?
Oh, shit.
You okay? You alright?
Are you fat free or something?
Why you put up?
So they not that sweet. I think just dried in the mug, but they good, man. They dried in the mug.
They dry?
God
Damn, you look...
damn, nigga.
You got a lot of powder on your back.
Powder flew all out of his mouth. Look at this shit. From one donut.
Oh, they did their thing. They put that extra powder on them.
Hold on, I need some water. All I think was, I got shit stuck all the bottom of my lips.
You alright?
Hell no!
Oh! You ain't not eating them, no. You gonna keep eating them? Your mouth finna be dry as hell.
Oh, thank you, motherfucker. Thank you, motherfucker. God.
Why would you eat another one and he was taking?
You was eating the motherfucker. Why they ain't done?
Your lips look like that. Oh!
Damn. What? Ah, what the fuck you got me with the fuck do? I need to wipe this out. Oh.
You gotta lick it up.
That shit dry as fuck. So I'll give you some white shit off.
I don't have nothing. You better take that little swig of water.
Hold up.
You better take that little swig of water that's right there, bro.
I just stuck to the roof of my mouth. Damn.
They was sticky. They was sticky.
That little shit ain't do shit. That little shit ain't do shit. I got a whole donut stuck to the roof of my goddamn mouth, Tasha.
Oh!
On my mouth. What the f?
I ain't never seen nobody eat a donut. Who that?
God! Hung on to the donut.
Babe, you are one of a kind.
Are you stupid?
Look at the motherfucker.
Out the Walmart.
Old or something, my dog. Hold on.
That is not.
I done gleeked in my eye. Why you driving so goddamn fast? You done been spitting my goddamn eye.
Oh! You're going 45.
Is that spitter powder? God damn. Oh, hell no, man. Come on, man. Shit. Slow down. Shit. Powder flying all around this motherfucker, man.
50 back.
Damn. Tasha, I'm gonna look at my damn shirt.
Oh!
What the f is that?
Look at my shirt.
Why are you yelling?
From two. What kind of donuts is
Why are
them?
you yelling like that?
My nigga, what kind of donuts is them, bro?
Powdered donuts, bro.
Nigga, what the f? They must have double dipped or something. They double dipped or something. Look how much powder I got on my. That's why shit was blowing in my damn eye.
You look a mess.
How much powder I got on my damn shirt?
You look, I see it. That's a lot of powder, babe. You should have saw how much powder you had on your damn lips. They was looking dry as fuck. You was looking like Tyrone.
Oh, damn, T-Boz. I didn't mean to do this to you.
Was they good though? They was still good, huh? Just not as sweet?
Come on. That ain't still good, not as sweet. Now they f***ing nasty as f***. Now, the first one was alright, but damn, I didn't realize what the f***, man. Them shits is thick as hell.
They thick.
Thick to the mother. Damn, bro.
How you mad at the donuts, babe?
I still got a half. Look, this shit stuck to my teeth and shit. I still got a half a donut.
You don't have to brush your teeth when you get in the house.
Man, you know I only do that once a week.
Oh! Stanky breath, motherfucker.
Man, come on, man. Here, man. Why you stop eating the donuts? Why you only eat one donut?
Because I didn't eat only one. I ate half the pack, Brock. I'm full. What the f you mean? I just ate half the pack.
Let me see the donuts.
No, because why are you trying to eat all my donuts now? I just thought you said
Tasha,
they
let me
was
see
nasty.
donuts. Let me see donuts.
Now all of a sudden you want some more. No.
I didn't say I want some more. I want to do some investigation on why the f it's so powdery. Come on, man. Damn.
God.
You holding the damn donuts hostage?
I'm not holding them hostage. I'm just saying.
Nigga, what the f?
They donuts, powdered donuts.
They done grind it up some goddamn powder. What is this?
What is that?
You got powder everywhere.
Tasha, what the hell is this?
What?
Why is this? Why is so much powder at the bottom of this shit?
God dang, I didn't even see all that powder. I just ate the donuts at the top. I didn't know that much powder was at the bottom. They're trying to give us diabetes. All that damn powdered sugar.
Tasha, this ain't no way the donuts came like this, my dog.
What you mean?
This ain't no way to hold the donut. Look at this shit.
So I just walked out the store and made some donuts real quick before you came to the car?
Did this shit say donuts or donut powder? It's powdered donuts. It's not donut powder.
So it's powder with some donuts.
No, it's donut powdered. It's powdered donuts. It's not donut powder.
Yes, it's powdered donuts.
Yes,
so
powdered donuts, not donut
so
powder.
It's powder with some donuts included. That's the extra powder kind. That's the new one.
That motherfucker say regular powder. It don't say nothing about no extra powder, new kind, no shit like that. What are you talking about?
Back in the label,
Tasha,
Rob.
this is not donut
If
powder.
your ass will pick up and read every once in a while, it clearly says it on there.
I just read it. What the fuck you talking about?
Because you read the front, I said the back.
It don't say no new donut powdery ass donuts. It don't say nothing about no damn double dip or nothing around this motherfucker. What are you talking about?
Oh!
No, it don't.
Damn, you know what I think happened? You know what I think had happened was?
What, man? Look, you got the whole damn door powdery as man.
No,
Come
you
on,
got
man.
the whole door powdery.
I got.
What I think had happened was I think somebody might have put too much flour in the recipe. And that's what had happened. It was
I don't
too
even
much
think that
flour in
that's
the
powder.
recipe.
That's flour that they put on there. They put on the ain't like powdered sugar or some shit.
Yeah, but I think the person that did it wanted you to eat it with flour
Oh!
when they manufactured it. Home sweet home.
Got him. We got him.
So, is this flour or sugar powder? Powdered sugar. Is this flour or powdered sugar?
I think it's flour. Actually, I'm sure it's flour because I put it on there.
Oh!
Why is you trying to deep fry donuts in the acid in my stomach?
I was trying to take
Dipping them
y'all.
up in flour. Shit, I ate a whole damn thing of flour.
I was trying to bring your sugar intake down. They too sweet. They too sweet. You didn't eat all that sweet goodness. Now let me get my donuts. Don't ask me for none of mine later.
Them the real damn donuts? I swear to God, I'm still the fuck out that motherfucker. I'm gonna throw them in the trash.
Why the f would you do that?
Because why the fuck you do this?
At least eat the motherfucker. Don't just throw them in the trash.
I'm gonna make you watch me throw them in the trash.
I love you. You look so cute,
Touch
babe.
man. Your ass way too much. Look, man, come on, man. You gonna have me eat flour and shit? Like, what kind of shit is that?
All right, BT Gang. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Team Tasha down in the comment section.
No goddamn come on,
because you already know how your girl coming. Say Team Tasha, babe.
Come here.
Be a hater. Bye, y'all. No, cause back up.
Come
Bye,
here.
y'all.
Come here.
best friend. You're my best friend.